Hey guys, so it's me Dilpreet here and welcome to my channel. And in today's video we're gonna see how I have decorated one side of the room using a diya and beer bottles. So for diya we will need some plastic spoons, then we will also need a glue. This is the normal glue, a synthetic glue, then some glitter, golden or silver. The first step is not shown in the video, so the first step will be you have to take the spoons and cut off the upper part using a scissor. Now take the spoons and start fixing them around the circle, leaving 0.5 inch. Also, you can use the glue gun to fix the spoons. Firstly, you'll have to complete one circle. So beforehand also what you can do is you can mark the points where you'll be pasting the spoons. So when you're done with completing one circle, what you have to do is you have to again take the spoons and start fixing them between the two spoons. So beforehand you can again mark the points in between the two spoons where the next spoon will come, as you can see in the video. And in the same manner apply the glue between two spoons and take one spoon and then fix it between them and just move on. This is how it will look like, and we will have to cover up the whole cardboard using the spoons. The next step that you have to do is you have to take the glitter in a bowl and just put some of the glitter, not the whole glitter but some glitter, in a bowl. After that, pour some glue inside it and mix it thoroughly. You can also use the medium that is available for glitters especially, but here I'm using glue because that is very economic. Before even sticking the spoons, what you can do is firstly you can color the cardboard as golden or silver, and then you can start pasting the spoons all around, and then it will be easier for you to paint the spoons. So now paint all the spoons all over and it will be ready. I'm just loving the color on this. And now this is the proper and full look of the diya, and in between the space that is left over is left for the diya. Also, you will have to paint the diya as well in the golden color, so here I'm doing that, and after you're done with it, let it dry for about half an hour and then you can keep it in the between of your design. The combination of diya and the bottles will give an authentic look to your room. So what's next? It's the beer bottles. And then taking the end part of the series, I'm inserting it inside the bottle in this manner, and then if I have to insert it in the next one, I will maintain the gap between the two bottles and then start inserting it again in this way. And it's so easy. You just need 1 or 2 series for that. One series is enough for 2 bottles, maybe sometimes for 3 as well if the series is so. And then in the same manner you can do this to the other 2 bottles. Make sure you always use different color series because it gives an amazing look. After you're done, just light them up and put the lights off, and then you can see how amazing it looks. I just love the look, how it turned out. You can also make more than 1 diyas and keep it around your rangoli, around your room, at the puja place, wherever you like. And I hope you all guys like this video, and if you liked it, do press the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy Diwali.